Those of you that are familiar with our CarCast podcast know that we picked up this Ford Lightning Platinum Edition about a year ago, and now that we've had it for a little while and put some miles on it, I think it's time to modify it, maybe personalize it a little bit. We're going to start with the wheels. Ford makes it easy to show you where the jack is supposed to go. They have arrows stamped into the frame rails on the front and the rear. So you can see that arrow right there. And that's where the jack is supposed to go. However, there's not much room to put a floor jack and a jack stand next to each other. So the easier solution is to use the factory supplied jack. This would slide in. All right, that would go there, and it's just enough room to get both the jack and a jack stand under there. Since we have the wheels and tires off the truck already, we might as well weigh them. I don't know if the new wheel and tire package is going to be much lighter, or if it is, if it's going to make much of a difference in the range or the performance, but it certainly couldn't hurt. It's right about 85 pounds and 10 ounces. These are the wheels that I went with. These are 22-inch Carroll Shelby wheels from Holley. Now, unfortunately, when I was looking for tires, the factory tire size was unavailable. That's the 275/50/22. So I went with these 305/45/22s. Now the wheels are a little bit lighter than the factory wheel, but the tire is a little bit heavier. I think it's going to be about even, but let's go ahead and weigh them and we'll find out. Right, these are coming in about 84 pounds, 11 ounces. So it's just under a pound lighter. But if you went with the factory tire size, I think you'd be saving about 5 pounds per corner. All right, well, here's the finished product. We got the Shelby 22-inch wheels and the Nitto 305/45/22s. We'll do a few other things to the truck, probably lower it, maybe ditch the running boards, but here you go, have a look.